Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to download BlueStacks? All you need to do is first thing you need to do is type in BlueStacks right here. After typing in BlueStacks, click right here, then click download right here. After clicking download, it will go right here, and then click on that right there, and then click on install. There you go. Once it's installing, there you go. Virtuous disable blah 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 blah, and if you can't enable it, don't click right here 64, just click on 32. So there we go. Just click on 32. After clicking on 32, there you go. As you can see, I've already done my downloading, but it is very simple at this part. You just have to agree and then click on download. That's all you need to do in that part. So now, here we are with our BlueStack open right now. So yeah, that's how you download BlueStack. And a quick tip for you guys: you cannot download BlueStack in Microsoft Store. Nope, you can only download it and on browsers. Browsers that are available to download it on, it's on Opera, Edge, and also Chrome. Any browsers that are allowed to download it. So yeah, there you go, guys. So if you have any more questions, if you have any more things, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And another quick tip for you guys: you can use much more emulator than this. I recommend if you if you don't like the BlueStack, you can use the game loop. So game loop, there you go. I've used this, and it's very also quality, and it's also a good PC emulator for your phone. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And before we go, you can see all the versions of the right here. See all versions. Here are all the versions um, for BlueStacks. We have Windows right here. There you go. We have for the Mac and for also Windows. So this one is for Windows 11. So this one's for Mac, and this one's for just normal Windows. So right here we got this one right here. There you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.